So for the first story that has come up, this is coming from multiple sources, where Elon Musk is claiming that Apple devices will be banned from his companies because the data is being sent to OpenAI. So if you saw the recent announcement from Apple from their Worldwide Developers Conference in WWDC, it was 2 weeks ago. They did announce quite a few integrations between the next version of iOS and OpenAI. Well, generative AI in general, but particularly with OpenAI. And they were talking about how some of the data will be sent to OpenAI, right? Some will be processed on the phone, and some will be sent to OpenAI. So, as you also may know, Elon Musk and OpenAI have a little bit of a contentious relationship in recent months. So Elon Musk has made a big show about saying, well, now Apple phones are basically, infected, if you will, because they're going to be sending data to OpenAI. So I think Elon Musk is somebody who doesn't miss an opportunity to grab headlines. So I think that's certainly driving a lot of it here. But I think a big part of it also is just a little bit of a misunderstanding where not every single piece of data will be sent to OpenAI. Only the portions that can't be processed locally on the phone will be sent to OpenAI. And there is a setting, or at least Apple claims there will be, a setting where it'll alert you before it sends the data off the phone and you can decide to continue or not. So I like the approach that Apple is taking. I think, maybe, talking about things like this is a little bit alarmist. Again, it's a great way to catch headlines. So I'm personally not too concerned about, I don't share Elon Musk's concern. I'm pretty excited to see some of those generative AI capabilities come to the phones, and you'll see it in other ways. We'll see it in cars eventually, in other devices.